Morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Got a truck all the way from Huntsville, Alabama for you today. It's a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. The truck is getting a 4-inch Cognito performance lift kit with the Fox reservoir shocks. It's getting the steering braces. It's getting the upper control arms that come with that performance package in that kit. We're also doing a set of suspension max torsion keys, which are amazing in any situation. And then we're doing a 37 12 50 20 Nitto Ridge Grappler tire. Now we're setting these suspension max keys at 0 inches because it does complement the ride on any lift kit that we sell. So definitely a good add-on. I'm about to get out of the truck right now and show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. All right, here's our beautiful 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. It's in the Summit White finish. I love this color. Pretty much looks good any way you do it, but we're definitely going to be keeping these 20-inch stock wheels. The AT4 comes with a really nice gloss black wheel. We're going to be putting a 37 12 50 20 Nitto Ridge Grappler on this truck. He did request that we put the alternative sidewall out. The tire does come with 2 sidewalls. It comes with a preferred side that has the shinier coating on it, and then it comes with an alternative second side that looks more like a Nitto Trail Grappler. So that's going to be cool. It's going to be a little different, so stay tuned for that. The performance kit from Cognito comes with a set, like I said, all the accessories. It comes with new upper control arms. It comes with a set of steering braces that you can put in there that really help your idler arm and pitman arm, and then it comes with reservoir Fox shocks, so you really can't go wrong with the kit. It's amazing. About to get it in there in just a few seconds though. Stay tuned for the process. So the funny thing is we're doing 2 of these trucks today, and I'm filming 2 separate videos on both of them. So I'm going to throw this clip in. They're both getting 4-inch Cognitos. They're both getting 37-inch Ridge Grapplers on the stock wheels. They're both 2024 GMC AT4s. One's from Huntsville, Alabama, and the other one is from Daytona, Florida. Just wanted to give a shout out again to you guys. Here's our beautiful 2024 GMC Sierra AT4. We just got finished with the 4-inch Cognito performance lift kit. This is an amazing lift kit. This is probably top-notch quality, probably one of the best lift kits that we can sell you right now. They do have upgradable shocks in this kit that you could buy. This one right here, we did the Fox 2.0 reservoirs. It's the performance kit. They also have a kit that has King shocks in it and Elka shocks if you you know, want something a little bit more expensive and nicer than this. But Fox 2.0 reservoirs are amazing. So this does come with the upper control arm because it is the performance kit from Cognito. Those are amazing for the angles. And it does come with a steering brace kit, which is right here for the idler arm and the pitman arm. It's a good support piece. We went back with the 37 1250/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. And at the customer's request, we did put this side of the tire out. They have two optional sidewalls. Like I said, this is what we call the trail side out because it looks like the Nitto Trail Grappler tire. But truck looks amazing. I'm gonna put a quote right after this clip on a job like this if you guys are interested. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching.